and I'm going to show you how to make ganache. 900 grams of white chocolate. I have 300 mils of double cream, fresh double cream, and then there is about 40 mils of corn syrup, okay, corn syrup. And into the chocolate, the white bits that are here is salt that is sprinkled in there. So we have the white chocolate here, and what we are going to do is add our corn syrup. I mean, like I've said, there are so many ways that people derive ganache, and one way is not better than the other. It is neither here nor there. I just like convenience and ease. So first of all, let's have a look at what it looks like. It doesn't seem like much has happened here, right? It doesn't seem like that at all. Nothing is happening here. But the bowl feels warm, and as you can see, when we started, the cream was down and the chocolate pieces was up, but now the chocolate is beginning to melt and the cream is setting itself up. Now at this point, I know that I can just about leave it back in for another 2 minutes, but for your convenience, I am just stirring this in. And the stirring in, look at what we have, right? All you are trying to do is make sure that the chocolate is melted enough. There you go, right? So that's 2 minutes full. I still have some of the chocolates looking so solid. So we've mixed much of that, but I still have some lumps in it, right? So what I'm going to do is put this back for another 2 minutes, and then we'll see. Okay, right? 2 minutes in, and now we have the ganache all done. Remember, we had the ganache back in to kind of pop the rest of the lumpy bits, and as you can see, the lumps are almost gone. Now a good consistency of ganache is it should flow easily and not break. So look at the emulsion. You have a ribbon like consistency. This is what you need, right? So I'm going to make sure, the goal is to make sure all the lumps are out. Whatever you do, just make sure the lumps are gone. Right, I'm not going to stir this over and over again. We are done, right? This is how I make my chocolate ganache, but a very key difference is when I make my chocolate ganache, I don't use it the same day. I leave it for up to 10 to 12 hours. So it's made tonight, it will be used tomorrow. So we made the ganache yesterday, and if you don't know, the ganache video is up already on the live format from yesterday. I left it on the countertop, did nothing at all, didn't touch it, and this is what we have. But most importantly, we are going to look at the consistency. The consistency here is, it's almost like it's not hard, but there is tension when I'm stirring through it, right? It looks like chilled peanut butter. When the ganache is looking like this, you are not going to be able to use it to do anything. You can't cover a cake with it. It will give you problems. So from here on, there are a few steps we have to take and a few things we have to do before we cover a cake with it. Now I'm going to put that in the microwave, and we'll probably count to 10, and we'll see where we'll take it from there. So it starts now. You don't want to risk it. Seriously, you don't want to risk it. Okay, not much has changed, right? There's still tension, but it is easing a little bit, right? So we are going to do another 10 seconds, okay? It goes back in. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. There we go. Okay, It's back. And at 20 seconds, this is the consistency I am aiming for. What you are looking for is a sort of easy, spreadable peanut butter consistency, right? This is what it should look like. When it looks like this, that's all you need.